Traceability shouldn't slow you down, but when recipes change over time, it can be hard to see what changed and when. We've reimagined how teams view process history, giving you instant visibility into the evolution of your recipes, right down to the minute. Change history captures every update made by every user, providing a clear, time-stamped view of who did what and when. It offers full visibility across the system without the complexity of a formal audit log. You can dive deeper into specific updates by selecting individual changes. The system shows you a clear, side-by-side comparison. It's an intuitive way to understand exactly what was modified without having to piece it together manually. Recipe history shows how your recipe has evolved, including past versions, review and approval status, and what was in use at any point in time. Previous versions are easy to explore, with or without the exact timestamp. Everything is saved in one place, so your team works from the same version with no duplicates and no confusion. Collaboration is seamless, and every change is easy to track. Accelerate every stage, from lab to plant to enterprise, with DTLS.